Great. Thanks for your flexibility. And so we have these feedback meetings to see how the courses are going and see if there's anything that we should improve to try to make the courses the best we can for our students. So we appreciate you giving some of your time. And I want to ask what your background is and what led you to Sky States.
You asking about my background?
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm an IT professional, basically software testing area. I've been in this software area for almost 22 years. Uh, Worked on different companies. I think last year I was working with Accenture, so they laid us off at that time. So I was looking for opportunities. Maybe thought about um, switching to a data science area. I was kind of trying to focus on. Then I came across with this your organization. My friend Shamim, he kind of forwarded me this number, so I called and enrolled in this program. So yeah, that's been going good so far. Um, I think it's been a few months. It's been going good. I think initially they're doing Python, and then they started the Power BI, and then Tableau. Now they're going through last leg. I think it's a ML, machine language, and the AI stuff. So I think it's kind of wrapping up. Yeah. So that's where, yeah, yeah. So far, I've been following. Yeah, except for one or two classes. So far, I've been following pretty well. Yeah.
Oh, great. Yeah, that's great to hear. I'm glad it's mostly been positive. Could you go into what's going on with the other classes though, or?
What do you mean the other classes?
Oh, the classes that where you said you weren't able to follow, or?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was able to follow. Yeah, basically, yeah.
Oh, okay. Great. Sorry, I misunderstood you, but yeah, great. Well, that's good to know. Really happy to hear that. Too, and also, so how do you feel comfortable with your instructor? Do you feel like they're addressing your questions well? And
Yeah, I think instructor he's a good instructor. I would say, very knowledgeable. I would say I would give knowledge-wise the subject matter he's teaching. I would say, I'd give a very high marks on that.
Mhm.
Maybe 9 or 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 at least. So he's doing good on that aspect. No, no problem. So I think the length of what do you call it? The materials he covers, that's a lot, especially the 2 hour session. I've never attended a
Mhm.
2 hour session in one sitting. So this is like a lot of things covers. This is not a problem, it's not from his side, it's problem from I think maybe I don't know what other people are thinking, but from my side I can at least tell there's a lot of material to absorb so for each class. So it's sometimes it's hard to keep up because the materials amount of materials is covered. You need a lot of practice to master everything. But at least whatever you can grasp, it is still useful. I would say, yeah.
For sure, yeah. No, I mean, that is, good feedback for us that it does feel like it's a lot and fast paced and everything too. There's also the individualized plan that you can upgrade to if you want more individual time with an instructor. So that's also an option.
Okay.
And you
Okay.
can
You're a little bit broken or
have a
frozen.
more flexible schedule during the week.
Okay.
Oh, I froze for a second. What was the last thing you heard?
Just a last sentence, probably. Again, it froze. Maybe I'll turn off the video. That'll save some data. Maybe it'll be faster. Let me see if it works better that way.
Yeah, I'm just letting you know there's Mohammed, can you hear me and see me?
I can hear, but it got stuck for a few seconds.
Okay, I'll turn off my camera and then turn it back on. Yeah.
Yeah,
Is that better?
yeah, it's better now. Yeah,
Great. Oh, okay, I'm glad. Yeah, just let me know if there's anything like that.
sure.
To great. So you've mostly, it sounds like it's been overall positive. How have you been feeling about the courses overall, besides it being fast paced?
It's a good course, actually. Um, I should have taken this course actually a long time ago because I've been in IT in this software testing. I was always thinking I would switch to some other area, but didn't happen for some reason. But once I got it, got this chance to enroll this, I think they gave me two options. One is like a cybersecurity, another one's a data science, mostly with AI. So I
Hmm.
thought data science would, align, it interests me more. Also, the thing is more interesting to me. So
I'm really
uh,
sorry to disturb you. I'm really sorry. Mohammed, okay, perfect. Yeah, I was just asking to open your camera. Thank you.
oh, we turned off the camera because of I think the bandwidth was consuming. So, but it's okay. I turned it on, but I'm not seeing her, Adina, Adina.
You're not seeing
Um,
me?
yeah, not now seeing you again. All right.
You are? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, just let me know if there's any issues, yeah.
sure. You're good now. Yeah, go
Great.
ahead.
So go ahead with what you were saying, Mohammed.
No, I'm saying, it's a good course. I mean, I was, in fact, a few years back, some of my friends were jumping into data science, and I was in this area. I think that job I was doing at the time kept me so busy, I could not, engage into data science area. But otherwise, I could have done it a long time ago. But this time, although it's a late opportunity, but it came, so I jumped into it, and we're learning a lot. Just the concept, the subject matter, really interesting to me. Yeah.
Great, yeah, I'm so glad that it's interesting material for you and that you're enjoying it, that's great.
Mm.
For sure, and what was your instructor's name?
His name is Abhishek.
Abhishek, okay, great, yeah, no, I know
He goes by
Abhishek, that's
Abhi.
great.
Yeah, he goes by Abhi. Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, awesome, well, I'm so glad. Could you say more about what's working for you with the courses?
What's working for me? Yeah.
Mhm.
I mean, currently I got engaged with the project. That there, I think we have not. I mean, we have not known a whole lot about what they're actually doing, but what they'll be doing, we hear they'll do a lot of automation using Python. So that's why I think it's the Python portion of it is going to be coming handy. So I'm kind of focusing more on that side for the time being. But other materials, the BI, Power BI, and Tableau, those are also, great tools. And then especially for reporting and dashboard, generating, those will also be helpful. I'm not going to be, discarding those knowledge, but I'm going to keeping up with those as well. So, but for the time being, I think Python is going to, you know, more. My focus would be more on that side because it's going to be helping me directly with the project I'm engaging in.
For sure, yeah, I hear all the time about different jobs wanting Python for sure, so
Yeah,
yeah, that's a really popular one. Totally, yeah. Well, that's good. That's good that you know what your focus is and that you can kind of like put your focus towards that.
right.
Absolutely. Great. Well, thanks for elaborating on that. Oh, were you going to say something?
No, no, no. Go ahead if you have any other question. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I was just wondering if you were going to rate Sky States from 1 to 10, what would you give it?
Overall, or is it in a particular area of this guy's
Just overall.
overall? I'd give it a, I'd give it at least, between 8 and 9 at least.
Oh, okay, great. I'm so glad that's a positive rating.
Yeah.
Too, we're really happy to hear that. We're really trying to aim for making it the best it can be, for sure. And would you recommend Sky States to a friend or colleague?
Yeah, I already did, recommend it to friends already. I'm already taking
Oh,
it
that's
and
great.
it's also beneficial. Yeah, yes.
For sure. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for doing that. Hopefully, we can also help them advance their career as well.
Yeah, sure.
Great. That's awesome. Well, thank you. Thank you, Mohammed. We really appreciate that. To recommending it to people and helping them out as well. Because we just want to be able to give this knowledge to as many people as we can. So that's really helpful.
Got it. Yeah.
Yep, for sure. Did you have any other questions for us, Mohammed, or?
Um, Not a question, but my situation is like I can explain where am I. I was I was out of project for some time. So although I was trying to geared towards data science area. But I had to take up a project because I needed a job. So my area was like a cloud automation. I'm doing that project right now. So, but down the road, if there's an opportunity in data science, this project will last probably a year at least. So, by the towards the end, I would like to explore some opportunity in data science areas as well. So, just to let you know, so the time. So,
Oh, okay.
meanwhile, I'll be just preparing myself.
Yeah, well, that's great that you have so much interest in the subjects. Yeah, definitely. We will give you all the courses and education that you